Dear student, good morning all of you. I am fine and I hope that you will be fine at your home. In previous lecture, we are discussing about poem The Dentist and the Crocodile. We have already read first stanza of the poem, and today we will discuss about the second stanza of this poem. First of all, we will know about word meaning of this poem. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the poet of this poem. Word meaning is, first word meaning, wrong, twisted and squeezed. Despair, hopeless, shrieked, shouted loudly because fear. Shrieked, it means in Hindi, भय से, डर से जोर जोर से चिल्लाना. Tweet, a silly person. Gorgeous, very beautiful, अति सुंदर. Now we will discuss about second stanza of this poem. Poem is, it said that I said to do the back once first. The crocodile called out. The crocodile called to the dentist that he said to do back once first. क्रोकोडाइल ने कहा कि सबसे पहले मेरा पीछे वाला दांत चेक करो. यू आर मच टू फार अवे डियर सर. वी सी what you are about to do the back once properly. You have got to put your head deep down inside my great big mouth. And grinning, Croaky said. Crocodile said to the doctor that you put your head deep down inside my big mouth and check my molars, check my teeth, check my back once. The poor old dentist wrung his hands and weeping in despair. वह बेचारा डॉक्टर जो है डर के मारे अपने हाथों को रगड़ना शुरू कर दिया और रोना शुरू कर दिया. He cried, no, no, I see them all extremely well from here. और उसने कहा कि हम यहीं से प्रॉपर तुम्हारे दांतों की जांच कर दूंगा. Just then, in burst a lady, in her hands a golden chain. That time, a lady came in the dentist clinic. He had a golden chain in his hand. She cried, oh, Croc, you naughty boy, you are playing tricks again. और वह चिल्लाते हुए उस क्रोकोडाइल को कहती है, तुम नटी बॉय हो, तुम फिर से ट्रिक खेलना शुरू कर दी. Watch out! The dentist shrieked and started climbing up the wall. डर के मारे डेंटिस्ट क्या करता है? दीवार पे चढ़ना शुरू करता है अपने जान बचाने के लिए। he is after me he is after me and the dentist cried that crocodile come after me, come after me, he is going to eat us all. And he said that this crocodile eat all us, हम सभी को खा जाए। Don't be a twit, the lady said, and placed a gorgeous smile. He is harmless. He is my little pet, my lovely crocodile. Then the lady said to the dentist that don't be a twit, तुम मूर्ख मत बनो, and place a gorgeous smile, ना, वह मुस्कुराते हुए उस डेंटिस्ट से कहती है, he is not harmless, यह हानि नहीं पहुंचाए, he is my pet, यह मेरा पालतू है, my lovely crocodile, मेरा यह प्यारा क्रोकोडाइल है। You don't fear to see him. Now I think that you understand this second stanza of this poem. You read this poem again and again and write this word meaning in your copy and remember it. Okay, thank you.